Sensors are the important foundation for the future development of the Internet of Things. Fibos, trusted force control expert around you. We make every load cell very carefully, never forgetting our original intention and innovating rigorously, which has achieved today's Fibos brand and created Fibos quality. Times are changing, but the original intention of Fibos remains unchanged. In 2017, Fibos Measurement Technology, Sangzhou Company Limited, was established in Sangzhou, Jiangsu Province. Fibos team has 20 years of German advanced technology inheritance. Fibos has excellent R&D, production, testing, and sales technical service teams. Fibos has a wide range of products. They are mainly used in industrial measurement fields such as weighing, force measurement, torque, tension, and multidimensional force. Join hands in the centennial ambition of the future and have the courage to innovate and accumulate. Fibos brings together a large number of excellent professionals, upholding the values of quality first, customer first, continuous improvement, and full participation, and adhering to the cultural concept of never forgetting the original intention. Fibos people always move forward.